2022 Hyundai Palisade Calligraphy, loaded. Steel graphite, gray metallic paint, aluminum alloy wheels with good tires, tinted windows. Dual chrome tip exhaust, carpeted cargo mat, power folding third row with premium Harman Kardon audio system with subwoofer, power tailgate, nice light stone leather interior with captain chairs in the second row, retractable window shades, rear climate controls with heated and cooled seats on the second row, carpeted floor mats throughout, as well as wood grain trim, dual sunroof, power windows, locks, and mirrors with memory driver's seat, wireless phone charging, heated and cooled front seats with heating steering wheel, free 90-day trial of Sirius XM satellite radio, navigation, backup camera with surround view, smart cruise, lane keep assist, blind spot monitor, just under 122,000 miles, remote start, everything you can get in this model. And it's even got nice sunroof. When I see it's how you park.